Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will be installing the window visor on this 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. On the hood I have the new window visor, so let me give you a closer look. Here are the four pieces of window visors. These two are for the driver's side and these two are for the passenger side. This one goes on the front door and this one goes on the rear door. If I give you a closer look at this, it's very nice. Has the name Santa Fe stamped on it, and also on this edge right here there's a carbon fiber look to it on this strip. Very nice. Installation is very simple. They already have the 3M double-sided tape on the back. Now the first thing you need to do is wipe down the surface with rubbing alcohol, and here I have some 70% alcohol. You want to clean the surface very well. As you can see, it's very dirty, so you want to make sure it's 100% clean. Use a knife to remove the backing on the double-sided tape. I just want to lift off one edge of it and bend this back. Don't take off the entire strip. Now carefully line up the edge of this window visor to the edge of the door, and you don't want to put it past the door, so it should line up exactly on the same edge as the door itself. Just push this down and pull back the backing a little bit, and now follow the line at the top. Push this down. And that's it. The front driver's side is done. Let's move on to the rear one. Again, we'll clean the surface. And here's a look of the driver's side. Now repeat the same procedure on the passenger side. Here's a look at these window visors after it's installed. Now since I have this 2019 Santa Fe here, it's absolutely beautiful. So let me give you a quick look inside the vehicle. As you can see, installing window visor on this 2019 Santa Fe is not difficult at all. Now, I got these window visor on Amazon and they were very inexpensive. So if you have a 2019 Santa Fe and you want to get this installed on your car, I will include the link in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.